everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add photo and video together on Instagram story. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, all you have to do is, first of all, simply access your particular Instagram app, and there you go. That's how it's gonna look like right now. Afterwards, simply tap on this plus icon and you will be here in this story section. Now go ahead, tap on this your photo icon on the below left and choose a video file. So let's say this is the particular video file, right? Tap on done on top. And now if you want to add a picture over here, you can tap on this little GIF icon on top, and now scroll and tap on this picture icon. Now it will let you choose a picture for you to add right over here. Go ahead, choose one, and now you can simply resize it accordingly. You can change the shape of it however you would prefer, and you can paste it wherever you want, and you can do that as many times as you want. All you have to do is tap on it and again choose your any other picture that you like, and you can simply resize it, paste it however you want, and you can choose to share it afterwards. That is the process to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.